Boy, now you make me float, float, boy, you really keep me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you serve me on.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Credo Gray and welcome to my channel. To those that are new, please subscribe, like, comment, share, be a part of the family. And to my returning soldiers, thank you for tuning in and thank you for coming back and welcoming back. Okay, it's top of the morning. I didn't do anything. I just woke up, took a shower, and I'm heading straight out. So I'm going to China again. Guys, China. The other day I was speaking to a friend of mine and she was like, girl, I've joined you. I'm into house things, like anything house decor, whatever. So guys, we're doing it bit by bit, and also understanding the fact that I have a very limited space. So guys, I'm going to China Mall to buy a coffee table, and I hope I like it as I did the last time. And then I need a laundry basket, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to buy it today, but we'll see. Yeah, so let's head to China without wasting any more of your time. Seatbelt, check. Start the car, check. Reverse, yes. Let's go. I just came back from China. So guys, as you know, the struggle of filming using your phone, this is what happened to me. So while I was busy doing the unboxing on this clip, my phone complained of space and automatically paused. So yeah, the brown boxes are pieces for the table, and then the gray one is a mirror tray which I got from Grace Home in Dragon City. It goes for like 255 rand. So yeah, let's go to the Pep Home haul. So I only bought like 3 items. This is a diffuser, a lime and vanilla. It goes for 50 rand and it smells divine. Okay, it smells divine. I love it for me and I love it for my girlies out here. Okay, so now the next one is, I don't know if you guys call it a wine glass. I love this one. They're very light, they're very nice, they're classy, and I love the gold finishing part of it because it complements exactly what I want to achieve with my space. So I love it. It goes for 30 rand. I love it. Pep Home, 30 rand. Go now and get it, okay? Sharp. And then I only got like 3 items, as I said. So this is the next one, which is the same price. So yeah, I love it and I hope you guys go there, but do not finish them because I still want to buy more. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you there. Hi guys, this is a mini grocery haul from Shoprite. So I can't believe I'm this tired. Okay, let me quickly do it. You know, going up the stairs with a plastic full of this, it's crazy. So I wanted some beef buchigos or whatever they call it. This is it. I got it for 62.45 rand. There was like a nice special. So this is very fresh, and I was like, you know what, I need to buy this for myself. Okay, and then these were on special again. I'll check. Where's the slip? I don't see the slip, guys. I don't know where I put it. Okay, these were on special. So any two for, I think it was like 20 rand. I'm sure, I don't remember. And then I got my mini, this sunflower oil XLR. I don't remember the prices because me and spaghetti, I just needed to top up. This was also on special. I couldn't buy anything because, oh yeah, the XLR was 34 rand. Yo, guys. Yeah, it was 24 rand, and I mean this, and then the knickknacks were 15 rand. Oh my gosh, yeah, I think we're 15 rand each. And then there was just a minus by friend, and y'all know me with this, so I got this skinny fries because, you know, this and air fry, they go well together. And also I got these for 10 rand each. I don't know, I love smoked Viennas for 10 rand each. This is my favorite what's this brand. I think I bought 4 of them, and then I ate 2. I ate 2 on my way here. And I also got this Escort French Polony. I haven't had this in a very long time. Whoo! This is my favorite, guys. The last time I bought a granadilla something, so I couldn't find it. I only found strawberry. Which strawberry is my favorite? This goes for I think 39 rand each. So I had to buy 2 because wow. I couldn't find fruits because I wanted to do my. This is basically what's this? A swap for what do we call it? This is basically a swap for my what's this sponge? I mean, I forgot, guys. So I am so tired. My mind. I don't know why I'm doing this right now. I was supposed to take a rest, but I only drink this because I love it. I love this one so much. So I bought this one, a swap. Okay, in place of me buying fruits and making a smoothie in the morning, especially for breakfast, because I don't like having like heavy food in the morning, especially when you have to rush somewhere, so you can't really eat somewhere. So this works for me. So I wanted to get the different flavors. The flavor that I got last time was I think granadilla. So now I couldn't find granadilla. It's finished. I only found this one, so I'm here to taste this one and see what it is. So this is my mini grocery haul. You? Yeah, no. Tell me you are black without telling me you are black. So this thing. So yes, this is all I have. I'm gonna do my dishes and yeah. So let me put this one in the fridge.